Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make 玉ねぎとわかめのお味噌汁. It's very simple, healthy, and hearty miso soup with onion and wakame seaweed that you can whip it up in 10 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 玉ねぎとわかめのお味噌汁, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 onions, 3 tablespoons of miso paste, any miso you like, 2 teaspoons of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and 5 grams of dried wakame seaweed. Let's cut the onions first. Cut the top and the bottom off. Remove the skin. Cut into half and make it into thin slices. Same for the other onion. Onion. Three cups of water. And hondashi into the pot. And cook until onion is nice and soft. I cooked it for 5 minutes or so and onion is well cooked. It's time to add the miso paste, and I'm using this miso strainer. This is to make sure you don't have any chunks of miso in your soup bowl. So miso into the strainer, dunk it and push it out. And it's completely dissolved. Kill the heat and add wakame seaweed. And let it sit for 3 minutes to wait for wakame seaweed to rehydrate. Once wakame seaweed is rehydrated, give it a stir. Serve in the soup bowl. And 玉ねぎとわかめのお味噌汁 is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The soup first. And the ingredients. Miso soup at restaurants can be quite sad. Just a few tiny ingredients floating around. But if you make it at home, you can load it up with a lot of vegetables and seaweed. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 玉ねぎとわかめのお味噌汁 goes here and plain rice here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about karaage Japanese fried chicken for the main, okura no gomae for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other side. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.